Welcome to the first video of our web development series. Today we will learn about HTML, the building block of every web page. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create a simple HTML document with heading, paragraph and links. Let's talk about HTML, the foundation of every web page. It tells the browser what to show, like images, text, and links. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It structures a web content just like a skeleton holds a body together. It is standard language for building a website. HTML includes elements like heading, paragraph, links, and images. Now that we understand HTML, let's explore its element. They structure the page and display the content. HTML elements define the structure and content of a web page. Each element consists with a three-part opening tag, content and closing tag. In my example, I have added HTML and body tag. Now that we understand what HTML elements are, let's look at how they come together to form the structure of an HTML document. Let's start with the doctype HTML declaration. This tells the browser that the file is an HTML document. The HTML tag is a root element of an HTML document, meaning everything inside it will be the part of your web page. The head tag contains meta information about the page, such as title and links to style sheets. The body tag holds the actual content that we see on a web page. Now that we know how an HTML document is put together, let's see how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are different and how they work together. In my example, I have created a simple increment and decrement feature. HTML provides the structure including button and text. CSS styles the button and layout to make them look better. JavaScript make it interactive. When you click on an increment or a decrement button, the value updates dynamically. We have explored the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's create an HTML document using Visual Studio Code and run it in a browser. If you prefer another text editor, you can use that as well. So let's add the HTML file, click on a file, put the name of the file, create your file in a folder. So our HTML file is created with a .html extension. Put the doc type HTML on the top of the file. Put the HTML tag. This is our main tag which is used to create the HTML document. Inside the HTML tag, we are going to add the head tag, which contains the additional information about our web page like a title. So as we added the title of our web page, now we are going to put the body tag, which is used to put the actual content in our web page. Inside this, we are going to add the h1 tag. H1 is stands for a heading one. So below the h1 tag, now we are going to put the paragraph. So with the help of a p tag, p is a paragraph tag. It is used for writing a regular text. So as we added the text in our web page with the help of a h1 and a p tag, now we are going to put the link in our web page. So to put the link in our web page, we have to use the a tag. A is an anchor tag. It creates an clickable link that takes you to another web page. So inside the tag, we have to put the link. So to put the link, we have to use the attribute href. So now copy the link of our YouTube channel. Let me put here. Now save and run this file on a browser. Go into the file, click on a save. As we save this file, we can able to use the different ways to run this file on a browser. We will directly run this file on a browser. Go into the Finder or File Explorer, double click on your file. Once I double click on our file, it will directly take us on our browser. So as you can see, whatever the content which we have added, that is now showing into the browser. So on the top of the browser, as you are able to see, the title which we have added, that is now showing the tab title. And inside the web browser page, you are able to see the content which we have added, like my document in a h1 tag. Below the h1 tag, in paragraph tag, we have added this is my paragraph example. And below this, as we have added the channel of our YouTube. So once I click on my channel, it will directly take us on our channel. So that's it. We have created a simple web page with a heading, paragraph and a link. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you.